Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope you're watching my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas. Crochet neck warmer, beautiful cowl free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting variety. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Very nice, most demanding, most wearing collection. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety. Stylish pattern. Follow my channel. Good comment section. And you can ask me in comment section what you want next, more about crochet collection. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.